In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make text shake in DaVinci Resolve. If you want to add more energy, impact, or motion to your text, a shake effect is a really simple way to do it. This works especially well for dramatic titles, fast-paced edits, or any moment where you want the words on screen to feel more dynamic and attention-grabbing. The good news is that DaVinci Resolve makes this process very straightforward once you know where to find the right effect. To get started, go to the top left area of the interface and click on Effects. This is where DaVinci Resolve keeps a wide range of tools and presets that you can apply to clips in your timeline. Once the Effects panel is open, use the search bar and type in Camera Shake. Searching for it directly is the fastest way to find the effect, especially if you are still getting familiar with where everything is located. When you see the Camera Shake effect, click on it and drag it onto your text clip in the timeline. Make sure you drop it directly onto the text clip you want to animate. As soon as you do that, the shake effect will be applied and your text will start to move with that camera-style vibration. This can instantly make a plain title feel more stylized and active. After applying the effect, you may notice that the shake lasts only for a certain portion of the clip. If you want the effect to continue longer, adjust the duration by clicking and dragging the handle to the right. This lets you control how long the shake remains visible on your text. It is a good idea to match the duration of the effect to the pacing of your edit, so it feels intentional and not overdone. If you want even more control, go to the top right and click on Inspector. This is where you can further edit the effect and fine-tune how the shake behaves. Depending on the settings available, you can adjust the intensity and overall feel so the motion better suits your project. A subtle shake can look polished and professional, while a stronger shake can create a more dramatic result. That's all it takes to make text shake in DaVinci Resolve. Once you try it a few times, it becomes a quick and easy effect you can use to make your titles stand out.